Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the New Yorker in Tondo. Let the music.
Aling Isay! Maawa naman ho kayo sa amin! Magmula alas 5 ng umaga hanggang hating gabi, wala na ho kayong ginawa kundi patugtugin yung demonyong plakang iyan. Abay kahit naman kung gaano maganda yung bongga kaday na iyan, ay pinagsasawaan din ho! Aling Isay! Hoy! Ako'y nakabigit ata itong mga taong ito Ngayon naman, visitors, always visitors. Nothing but visitors all day long. Ako, I'm beginning to feel like I'm a society metron. Sandali lang. These girls naman, hindi maintindihan. Tony! Oh, I thought you were in the provinces. Yun pala, you are already here. Come in, sit down. Oh, what's the matter with you, Iho?
But, is that you, Aling Atang?
Of course! It is. I'm foolish boy. Who do you think I was? Carmen Rosales?
You don't look like Aling Atang.
I had my hair cut. Do I look so horrible?
Oh, no. You just wonderful, Aling Atang. For a moment, I thought you were your own daughter. I thought you were Kikay.
Naku, Tony, you are spanish as ever, Tony. But come in. Here, sit down. Tony, how is your mother? Mga pala.
Oh, poor mother is terribly homesick for Tondo, Aling Atang. She wants to come back here at once.
How long have you been away na nga pala?
Only 3 months, Aling Atang.
Only 3 months? 3 months is too long for a Tondo native to be away from Tondo, Tony. Ay, my kumare. How bored she must be out there.
Well, Aling Atang, you know how it is with us engineers. We must go where jobs call us. But as soon as I have finished with that bridge in Bulacan, Mother and I are coming back here to Tondo.
Huh? What bridge?
That bridge I'm building in Bulacan, Aling Atang.
Well, you must hurry your wet because we and her have no car most of the time while we are playing tong hits.
That is what she misses most of all, Aling Atang.
Now, I understand how she feels. Your mother could never become probinsyana, Tony. Once a Tondo girl, always a Tondo girl. I always says to her. But I wonder if that true after all. Look at my Kikay. She was over there in America for a whole year. And she says that she never felt homesick at all.
When did Kikay arrive, Aling Atang?
Last Monday!
I didn't know she had come back from New York until I read about it in the newspaper.
That girl arrived only last Monday. And look what has happened to me. When she first saw me, she was furious. She said that I need a complete overhauling. She dragged me to a beauty parlor. And look what she had done to me. My hair is cut, my eyebrows are shaved, my nails are manicured. And whenever I go to market, I must use lipstick. Nako, Tony, all my kumares are laughing at me. People must think I have become a lost woman. And at my age too. But what can I do? You know how impossible is it to argue with Kikay. And she says that I must learn how to look and act like an Americana. Because I have a daughter who has been to America. Just me, Tony, do I look like an American?
You look just wonderful, Aling Atang. And where is she now?
Who?
Kay, is she at home?
Sleeping yet, Tony.
Still sleeping? Marahil ho, napuyat siya.
Ano bang napuyat? Ang sabihin mo, she is a member of a new combo.
Combo? Aling Atang?
Combo, ma'am, ang tanghali na. She told me that in New York, ang mga tao daw doon, do not wake up before 12 o'clock noon.
It is only 10 o'clock.
Ayun na nga, she needs a rest because ever since that girl arrived from the United States, ay, society girl, she has been very busy. Welcome parties here, welcome parties there, visitors all day long.
Pwede po bang pakisabi na lang Aling Atang na dumaan ako din eh? Ganun din po. Pakisuyo, pakibigay po itong buwang bulaklak.
Why? Are you going already na ba, Tony? Teka, Tony, you wait right there. She'll be simply delighted to see her old childhood friend. And she'll want to take you in person for these flowers. How beautiful they are, Tony. How expensive they must be.
Oh, they're nothing at all, Aling Atang.
Oh, Tony.
Yes, Aling Atang.
You mustn't call me Aling Atang.
Why not?
Kikay doesn't like it. She says I must tell people to call me Mrs. Mendoza. She says it's a more civilized form of address. So, and especially in front of Kikay, you must call me Mrs. Mendoza.
Yes, yes, Mrs. Mendoza.
Wait, just a minute and I will call Kikay, ha?
Huh?
Oh, and Tony,
Yes, Mrs. Mendoza.
you must not call Kikay.
What shall I call her?
You must call her Francesca.
Francisca?
Not Francisca, Francesca.
But why Francesca?
Jesus, but in New York, everybody calls her Francesca. That is how all those Americans in New York pronounce her name. And all she wants everybody here to pronounce it in the same way. She says it sounds chichi, so Italian. Do you know that many people in New York thought she was an Italian? An Italian from California. So be sure and remember, do not call her Kikay. She hates that name. Call her Francesca.
Yes, Mrs. Mendoza. Tony! Totoy!
Ano ba pare ko?
Okay lang, pabo ko.
Meron ba tayo dyan?
Huwag na tayo, Totoy. Basta yan. What? How many bodegas have you looted lately, partner?
Well, no more partner. I am reformed already.
What do you mean reform?
I do not loot bodegas anymore.
Why?
Because there are no more bodegas now.
What brought you here, partner?
You, what brought you here? I thought you were in Bulacan.
Yes, I am assigned there. I am building a bridge.
A bridge?
Yes, a bridge. And don't ask me what the name of the bridge. We don't know yet.
So, you came over to see Kikay?
Pardon me, but the name is not Kikay. It is Francesca.
Oh, you know about that. Lolo, ano? Have you heard what they're saying around here in Tondo? That she has become a moret?
Really?
She's gone nuts.
No, I think she's only gone New York.
Just because she has been to America, she thinks she is an American. Alain mo.
So, Miss Tondo has become Miss New York.
Miss New York. Huwag na. Do you remember the old days when she was selling puto near the corner of the store? Remember? Bili na kayo ng puto. Puto niyan. Kintang malagkit. Bili na kayo. Puto bumbong.
Wait, I see who that is. Nena!
Hoy, Nena.
Well, what are you doing here, Totoy? And you, Tony? What is this? The annual reunion of the Tondo Canto Boys?
We have come to meet the lady from New York.
So have I. Is she home?
She's still sleeping. Aling Atang is waking her up.
No, she's awake already. She's dressing. Good morning, Nena. And you, Totoy? I said good morning to the two of you. Aba, why do you just stand there nakatanga? Para kayong nakakita ng multo ah!
Is that you, Aling Ata?
Why? Who do you think it was? Itong butanggero ito, ah?
Naka. It is Aling Atang nga.
My goodness! I wish you will not stare naman at me like that. You make me feel ashamed. I am beginning to feel already like Nora Honor. Masakit. Ano ba? Aba, paano? You are making so much fuss na naman about my looks. I tell you, it's Francesca who insists that I go around like this. Especially you, Nena, smiling and smiling there. Kukurutin kita.
When we were children, you always used to do that to us.
And I can do it yet, ba? Kasi you were always naughty when you were children. All of you. Especially this one. This butarete. Ay, naga. Always going into our backyard to steal our mangoes.
Is that mango tree still there, Aling Atang?
Natural!
Oh, come on, Nena. Let's steal some mangoes.
Ay! No stealing of mangoes. Besides, if you do, I'll chase you like I used to do. And I'll take your pants off.
Aba, I'm big now. Baka magulat po kayo. And besides, I wear suspenders.
Ay! Halika na! You come with me to the kitchen.
Why? To take my pants off?
Ay, nako, talagang salbahing ito, ah. I want you to help me to prepare something.
Oh, never mind, Aling Atang. Don't prepare anything for us.
Ay, Nena, it's just some orange juice. You see, Kikay, Francesca always told me that in New York, they don't eat breakfast. They just drink orange juice. So, kamo, Totoy?
Arya, umara.
Well, Tony.
Hindi ka na dapat pumunta dito, Nena.
Oh, why not?
I haven't talked with Kika yet.
You haven't talked with Kikay yet? But I thought you were coming here to tell her everything last night.
I lost my nerve. I didn't come last night.
Oh, Tony.
Oh, Tony. Use your head, Nena. Whoever heard of a man breaking off his engagement just like that? It's not easy.
Are you in love with Kikay or with me?
Of course I'm in love with you. I'm engaged to you.
Yes, and you're engaged to Kikay too.
But that was a year ago.
Oh, you wolf.
Nena, you know that I love you. Only you.
How could you have the nerve to propose to me when you were still engaged to Kikay?
I wish I had never told you that. This is what I get for being honest.
Honest? You call yourself honest? Getting me to fall in love with you when you still belong to Kikay?
I thought I didn't belong to her anymore. It was only a secret engagement anyway.
Secret?
I proposed to her just before she left for America.
Oh,
And she said, we must keep our engagement a secret until she come back. But when she had been there a couple of months, she stopped answering my letters.
already good.
So I considered myself a free man again.
That's why you proposed to me?
No, I mean, yes.
And then asked me to keep our engagement a secret also.
Because right after a while, I found out that Kike was coming back.
Well, I'm tired of being secretly engaged to you. What fun is it being engaged if you cannot, tell everybody?
Just give me a chance to talk to Kikay and explain everything to her. Then you and I will announce our engagement.
Well, you'd better hurry. I'm getting impatient.
The trouble is, how can I talk to Kikay now?
Why not?
Well, you are here, and Toto is here. You don't expect me to talk about in front of everybody, do you?
You want me and Totoy to leave?
No, just give me a chance to be alone with Kikay for a moment.
Okay, I'll take care of Totoy.
That's good.
You just leave it to me. But settle this now and forever, ha?
Puto kayo dyan. Bili na kayong puto.
Oh, halina, drink your orange juice and I'll see if Kikay is ready. Listen everybody, here comes Kikay. But remember, she prefers to be called Francesca.
introduction, Totoy. How does one say it in Tagalog? In Technicolor. Halika dito. But sit down, everybody. Do sit down and let me look at you. Oh, Maxie!
Oy, what's the matter now, Kikay?
But how many times I must tell you, Momsy dearest? Never, ever serve a fruit juice in water glasses.
Nako, never mind. Water glasses or beverage, glasses are all the same. Pareho!
Oh, my poor little Momsy. She's so clumsy, no? But never mind, dearest. Don't break your heart about it. Here, sit down.
No! It's time to go to Mountain Taba.
Oh, really, Momsy? Don't forget my celery. I cannot live without my celery.
Well, if you people excuse me, Tony, remember, me to your mother, Hane. And let me know when the Pozo Negro you are building in Pampanga is finished.
Bridge Aling Atang in Bulacan.
Ay, bridge nga naman. Oo, in Bulacan.
And remember, Momsy, a little bloom on the lips and a little bloom on the cheeks.
What? Tita?
Again, Momsy.
Francesca, do I have to pick myself again?
But how dreadfully she puts it. Oh, Momsy, what am I going to do with you?
I don't know to you. You are the one.
Poor Momsy. She's quite a problem. Oh, does anybody have a light?
Oh, here, I've got a lighter.
Merci, Totoy.
Huh?
I said merci. That means thank you in French.
Ah, merci.
Oh, tell us about New York, Kikay.
Ah, New York.
How long did you stay there?
10 months, 4 days, 7 hours, and 21 minutes.
Bilang na bilang, ano?
Yes, I feel like as if I was still there, as though I had never left it, as thought I had lived there all my life, but looked around me, and I realized that no, I'm not there. I'm not in New York. I'm right here in Tondo.
Huh? Anong Tondo?
But please forgive me. Here am I going sentimental and just mooning away over things you have no idea about. No, you cannot understand this emotion I feel for our own dear old New York.
Oh, but I do. I understand perfectly. I feel that way too. About our tree.
What tree?
Our mango tree, Kikay. Have you forgotten about it? Why, you and I climbing up there every day and gorging ourselves on mango trees. How our stomachs ached afterwards. And then these bad boys would come and start shaking the branches until we fell down.
Aling Ata once got me climbing that tree, and she grabbed my pants, and off they came.
I was up there in the tree at that time and I laughed so hard I fell down.
Yes, and Aling Atang chased you all around the yard with her broom. And when she caught you, bang! She got you on the head with her broom. And how you screamed!
But me, I could not come down the tree at all, because I did not have my pants on.
And Kikay and me, we were rolling on the ground, simply hysterical with laughter. And Totoy, you kept shouting, "Ang salawal ko! Ang salawal ko!"
But wait a minute. What tree is this you're talking about?
Our mango tree, Kikay! The mango tree there in the backyard!
Oh, that tree.
What's the matter, Kikay? Don't you feel the same emotion for that tree as you do for the one in New York?
Of course not.
Why not?
They completely different. I don't feel any emotion for the silly old mango tree. It doesn't awaken any emotion for me at all.
Well,
it does for me, and such happy, happy memories. I really must run out to the backyard to say hello to it. You know, Kikai, over here in Tondo, we have a funny custom, an old, and very dear custom.
We make a sort of pilgrimage to a silly old mango tree.
Growing in a backyard. And for us, here in Tondo, that tree is our tree. In a way, it is a symbol. Don't be silly, Nana.
Anong silly?
Oh, you people cannot understand it all.
Probably. You've never been to New York.
That's exactly. Until you've been to New York, you can't understand ever. Oh, believe me not to live in. New York is not to have lived at all. That tree of ours over there, it doesn't stand for kind stuff and foolishness. It stands for higher and finer things. For a more vivacious, a more streamlined, and a more daring way of life. It stands for freedom, and for the Manhattan Skyland, and for Coney Island in summer. It stands for Saturday nights in Madison Square Garden, for the Bronx Zoo, Fifth Avenue, and for all the darling dams in Greenwich Village. Oh, it's impossible to make you see.
I still prefer a tree that grows in Tondo.
And I second the motion.
So do I. Oh, you funny children. Well, I really must go and say hello to our tree. You don't mind, Kikai, do you? Of course not, child. Do go. Totoy, will you come with me?
Yes, to the ends of the earth.
No, darling. Just to our dear little backyard.
Oh, the backyards of Tondo, the barong-barong of Maypaho, the street of Sibukong.
Listen, idiot. Are you coming with me or not?
Anywhere, dream girl.
Well, apparently, our Totoy still has the most terrific crush on Nena. So wake up, Tony. What are you looking so miserable about?
Kikai, I don't know just how to begin.
Just call me Francesca. That's a good beginning.
There is something I must tell you, something very important.
Oh, Tony, can we just forget all about it?
Forget?
That's the New York way, Tony. Forget. Nothing must ever too serious. Nothing must drag on too long. Tonight, give all your heart. Tomorrow, forget. And when you meet again, smile, shake hands. Just a good sport.
What are we talking about?
Tony, I was only a child at that time.
When?
When you and I get engaged, I've changed so much since then, Tony.
That was only a year ago.
To me, it seems a century. So much has happened to me. I've become a completely different person in just 1 year. After all, what's a person? What's a year? Just a relative terms. More can happen to you in just 1 year in New York than all in lifetimes spent anywhere else.
Listen, Kikai, I don't want to talk about New York. I want to talk about our engagement.
And that's just what we cannot do, Tony. Not anymore.
Why not?
But Tony, you got engaged to a girl named Kikai. Well, that girl doesn't exist anymore, Tony. The person you see before you is Francesca. Don't you see, Tony? I'm a stranger to you. We don't speak the same language. I heard you, Tony, but surely you can see that there can no more talk and engagement between us. And as for marriage, it will be a stark miscegenation.
Imagine a New Yorker marrying a Tondo boy.
Now, wait a minute.
I'm very sorry if I've hurt you, Tony. But I wanted you to realize how ridiculous it will be to think that I could still be engaged to you.
I'm not going to stand here and be insulted.
Hush, Tony, hush. Don't shout. Don't lose your temper. It's so uncivilized. People in New York don't lose their temper. Not people of the heart made anyway.
What do you want me to do? Smile and say thank you for slapping my face?
Yes, Tony, be a sport. Let's smile and shake hands and just be friends. Be brave, Tony. Forget, that's the New York way. Find another girl. Any girl you'll find somebody else. Someone more proper for you.
Ay, kundi ka lang babae.
Oy, Tony, hold it. You must never hit a woman.
What's all this? Ano ba to? It's...
Nothing. Nothing at all.
What were you two quarreling about?
We were not quarreling. Tony and I just decided to be a good friends and nothing more.
Tony? Is this true?
Yes.
Oh, good. Now we can tell them.
Tell us what?
What's going on here anyway?
Tony and I are engaged.
Engaged?
Yes, we've been secretly engaged for a month.
A month?
Why? You?
I did try to tell you, Kikay. I was trying to tell you.
You double crosser? Aba, careful there. You're speaking to my fiancé.
He's not your fiancé.
Oh no, and why not?
Because he was still engaged to me. When he got engaged to you?
Well, he's not engaged to you anymore. You just said so yourself.
But I didn't know all about this. This treacherous business. Oh, shame of it. Getting engaged to you when he was still engaged to me? Why? Do you look like the kind of girl who'd let a man jilt her? You horrible, horrible monster!
Oh, remember, Kikay, it's uncivilized to lose one's temper. People in New York don't lose their temper.
You beast! I'll teach you how to humiliate me!
I told you to leave him alone. He's my fiancé.
Tell you, he's not! He's still engaged to me until I release him. And I haven't released him yet.
You ought to be ashamed of yourself. Laos ka na.
You ought to be ashamed of yourself, stealing my boyfriend.
What? What did you say?
Totoy, put them apart.
You keep out of this, I'll knock your head off.
Nako, lumabas din ang pagpatundo.
Walang iya ka? Kapal mo ka.
Walang hiya ka pala.
Oh, you will have him.
How dare you hit me?
Are you trying to defend her? I hate you! I hate you!
Shut up! Hindi babasagin ko yung mukha mo.
Oy, padre. Please don't speak to me that way.
Huwag ka nga makialam dito.
You're the gentleman than you are. He defends me.
You take your hands off of her.
I told you to keep out of this.
Oh, Totoy, you made me smile. You saved my life. You're my hero.
Totoy, how dare you hit him? Tony, open your eyes! No! Open your eyes!
When?
Totoy, take me away from here.
Wait, are you still engaged to him?
I hate him. I never want to see him again in my life.
Good. Come on, let's go.
Hey!
Don't you speak to me, you salawahan.
I wasn't talking to you.
Don't speak to me either. You have insulted the woman I love.
Totoy, why? Never tell me.
Well, now you know how. And I'm telling you, ano, pwede ba tayo?
Basta ikaw, Totoy. Next na tayo.
Congratulations. Now, Kikay, what you need is a good spanking.
Don't you come near me, you can't boy!
Don't worry, Kikay. I will not touch you with a 10-foot pole.
And I wouldn't touch you with a 20-foot pole.
Just 1 year in New York and you forgot your old breaths. What are you crying about? Be brave. Forget. That's the New York way.
Oh, Tony, please. Salamahan! Taksil! Magdetengoy ka!
Besides, we don't speak the same language. Marriage between will be at start
Miscegenation.
Yan na nga. Imagine a New Yorker marrying a Tondo boy.
Oh, Tony, I've been such a fool. I'm so sorry, Tony.
Well, I'm not. I'm glad to have found out what kind of a person you are.
Oh, Tony, you're wrong. I'm not that kind of person at all.
Oh, person is just a relative term, huh?
Yes, Tony, that was Francesca saying all those silly things. But Francesca exists no more. Tony, no more. The girl standing before you is Kikay.
In that silly dress.
Oh, this is just a gift wrapping. But deep down inside me, I'm just a Tondo girl in love with a Tondo boy.
Oh,
It's true, Tony. I'm Kikay. Remember me? I've come back.
if I remember, I was engaged to a girl named Kikay.
Yes, and you're still engaged to her, Tony.
Welcome home, darling.
Francesca! Oh, Tony, you're still here pala.
Opo, Alingatang.
Francesca, I'm sorry. I couldn't find the celery you wanted.
Oh, never mind, Inay. Just give me a good old kangkong and some tambos ng kamote. I'll be happy.
But you said I couldn't live without celery. Diba?
That was Francesca Alingatang. Now we've changed the program. The girl in front of you is not Francesca.
Eh, who? Sino na to?
It is Kikay.
But Kikay is Francesca.
I'm not Francesca, Inay. I'm Kikay.
Salamat! Eh di I can play Tong It's Na. And I can call you Kikay once more.
Yes, Inay.
No more United States siya na.
Yes, Inay.
And I can take off this girder already.
Of course, Inay.
Yes! So you can ask your mother, Tony, na to come home in Tondo right away as soon as you finish the cemetery that you are doing in Batangas, ano?
What's cemetery, Inay?
The one that Tony is building in Sabata?
It's not cemetery, Alingatang. It is a bridge.
Bridge! In Bulacan? Oh, kita mo yan? Wala pang pangalan yun, ano, Tony? Why don't you call it Francesca? Just for the old name's sake. Francesca!
Ang Inay naman.
Sweetheart, I love you.
And I love you too.
Hoy, Aling Ising! Talaga bang pinipeste ninyo ako? Ano iyang tuwis na iyan? Tugtugin na ninyo ulit. Babasagin ko yung demonyong plakang iyan. Aba, tulog na ho kami rito.